Welcome students. Today we will learn some SQL function, built-in function on Oracle. So first connect the system, then put system as password and put it as system. So connected. Now we will do some Oracle function. Let's start with the first function. Dual is a table space in Oracle. It is a single row, single column table, dummies table, where you can operate any mathematical calculation function. So first let's start with the ABS function. So select ABS minus 10. If I give minus 10 from dual, it will give you 10 absolute value. It gives you only the magnitude. Okay. Next function is power function. So select power 2, 3. That means to the power 2 to the power 3, 2 cube from dual. It gives you 8. Then round function, select round 2.58 from dual. It gives you 3. Next is SQRT function. So select SQRT square root bracket 25 from dual. It gives you 5. Next is lower function, which operates with the string data type. So select lower in the bracket. If I write DBC tutorial in caps, any string you can write. If I put in caps from dual, it gives you small value, smaller case. Similarly, upper, if I give upper and give small value, smaller case letter from dual, it gives you all capital. Next is another is unit cap. Unit cap means initial capital letter. So select unit cap. If I put in small case all from dual, it gives you, sorry, unit cap, it should be unit cap, INIT. It gives you first character as capital, D as caps. Next function is length function. Select length. If I put my name Devdeep, it gives you 6 as an output. That means it has 6 character. Next is substring. So select SUBSTR. If I put my name, I am putting my full name. Now suppose if I put the starting character, that means suppose I want to print only the Bhanjo from here. So how to extract that substring? See, this is D is 1, E is 2, B is 3, D is 4, I is 5, P is 6, then 7 is space character, then 8 starts from B. So Bhanjo 8, if I write 8, then put comma From that B character, it counts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to put 8, 6. So it will give you the Monjo as a substring. C. Hope you have understood. So starting position, you have to find out the first position of the starting character, and then from there you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is LTRIM. Select LTRIM. LTRIM means if there is space in the left side of the string, it delete those spaces from dual. So it deletes the spaces, left spaces. Similarly, select RTRIM. If I put RTRIM, so right, if there is space in the right side of the string, it deletes those spaces. Next is LPAD. Suppose you want to pad in some text, some character, something in the left side of the string. So suppose if I write select LPAD, I put the string, then put the, suppose put star, then put 8. That means in the left side of the string there will be 2 star. In total it consider 8 character, including the div, and including the left side there will be 2 star. Sorry, 8 should be in first position and then star. Comma. See, in the left there are 2 star, then the text div. Similarly, RPAD, for RPAD, select RPAD, put the string in the right. If I write 8, comma, star, in place of star you can write any character from dual. So add it. In practically we need this type of LPAD and RPAD. Suppose in phone number you want to put all the Indian phone number to +91, then you can use LPAD. This is an example I have told you. So in that case we need LPAD thing. Okay. So today's session is close. I am closing this today's session here. Hope you have understood. If you like the channel, you can subscribe it for more tutorial like this on SQL or any other programming languages. You can find it from my video. Thank you. Bye.